We hope you're ready to reimagine city living and to pioneer India's new wine age. Let's venture into the world of AGROCORP. Enter the gateway to land investments. We have been here in Bengaluru for 10 plus years, developed, delivered and transacted more than 700 acres of land, served more than 700 happy families and planted more than 75,000 trees. Now, we've partnered with India's leading wine producer, Grover Zampa, to bring the vineyard to your backyard. Welcome to India's first ever managed vineyard property launch. Welcome to the Vineyard. Explore our exclusive vineyard farm community in the wine country of Karnataka and redefine farm living with modern amenities and comforts. Here, we raise toasts and we raise standards with modern infrastructure to support a sustainable lifestyle. Experience farm living in a gated and secure community with CCTV supervision, managed services and on-farm assistance. Our vineyard farm community spreads across 25 acres of uniquely carved and crafted 1-acre farm estates. Stay connected with the community app and relish an investment that will age as good as wine. Walk along the paved internal pathways and express your uniqueness in our nature-filled farms. Reconnect and rejuvenate at our clubhouse, the Tasting Room, with lifetime access to entertainment and lifestyle amenities. Gourmet kitchen, home theatre, sunshine cabanas, outdoor fire pit, picnic lawns, organic vegetable gardens, swimming pool and stargazing deck. Rejoice your life at the Vineyard with esteemed sports amenities. Play billiards and table tennis indoors or play tennis, badminton and golf in our outdoor courts. Spend quality time at the kids' arena. Breathe in the fresh air on yoga deck and take a leisurely stroll on the walking and cycling tracks. Savor the flavor of work from farm and make merry with our bespoke services. ATV rides, vineyard tour, wine tasting, they are all available on call. Revel in our exclusive privileges. You can design your own label of wine and get access to the limited edition Grover Zampa wine collection. To top it off, we are strategically located at one of the fastest growing land investment zones in North Bengaluru. Cheers to a new era of vineyard living as we prepare to pop open a new world. Developed by AGROCORP. Vineyard partner Grover Zampa. Infrastructure design and project management partner Eco First, a Tata enterprise. Exclusively marketed by India Sotheby's International Realty.